guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl curlyhead Jada, and I'm finally back with another video. So today's video is basically going to be on how I got this cute little messy curly bun, but the twist to it is I didn't use any gels or anything. I know there's people out there like me who absolutely hate putting gel in their hair, or maybe not, I don't know. But I use straight moisturizer, the same moisturizer I used last video, I used in this one. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys how you can get the same results without gel. So lately, like for a minute now, I've been using these two products, the moisturizer and the coconut oil, and it gives you the same result as you using 5 or 6 products would. I just brought it down to two. But basically, this product has like a sticky, thick consistency that I like to use when it comes down to doing my buns because I don't have to use gel at all like I used to. I can take my hair down after putting tons of this in my hair and shake it, and my hair will still be fluffy and soft and curly and stuff. So I like that part about it. I know y'all like, why is this girl using this Malo brush? I swear to y'all, I hate them big old bristle brushes. They just hurt. I ended up using it because I was really in a rush, and I was like, you know what, I'm just got to stick it out and hurry up and do this. But other than that, I would use that small brush if I got the time for it. So I went ahead and did my edits off camera. I just used the moisturizer on that brush to do them. But you guys should comment down below if you like neat or messy baby hairs, because I really love messy ones. Like, and I know I'm not the only one who don't. But anyways, let's just take a moment to, admire this ponytail, because baby, I used to have to use what's it called, shoestring to get a cute little puff. But this is a ponytail, a high one at that. Okay. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are able to see it. Well, you kind of can, but the front part of my hair, like right behind my baby hairs, my edges or whatnot, they don't grow whatsoever. And you know, I done tried black castor oil. I done tried all the growth stuff. I done tried all the gels, all the glues, all the sprays to try and get them to lay down, but they just don't lay down, and I don't know what to do. And I hate tying my hair down. I did want to tie my hair down this day because you know I was going to go to practice, so there's no point. But I'm just saying that so you guys don't think that this isn't laying. This product doesn't work because everything else is laid in and swimming. It's literally just those two parts on the side of my edges that don't lay down whatsoever. So don't even mind those. But you know, it's coming to the end of this video. I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, share. Check out the last video I posted on my channel. Follow me on my Instagram at curlyhead.jada_, my Twitter at curly underscore Jada, my Snapchat baddiex_Jada02. And you know, just share, you know, do your thing because that's the right thing to do. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. If you guys want to know exactly what the product looks like, I'm going to leave like the name of it and the link to it in the description box. So check that out.
Practice, practice, practice make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never, never, never.